Welcome to Writing Our World Free Writes. The objective of this video is to help you understand why the free writes exist and how to best utilize this activity with your students. The free writes are housed at the end of every skill, and we encourage you to include them in your lesson flow 1 out of every 5 lessons. Let's talk about why they exist. The free writes are a beautiful opportunity for your students to just get comfortable with writing. It allows them an opportunity to flex all these new foundational written expression skills that they've been working hard to master in real life writing. It helps them find their writing voice, and it also builds engagement and just buy-in to the writing process. It helps your students really feel the payoff to all the hard work they're putting in to master these skills. It also provides incredible amounts of work for you to analyze as the instructor to be able to measure the big picture progress that your students are making. The skill progress that you're going to see through the objective pre-assessments, exit tickets, post-assessments, those are really crucial pieces of data that help you understand which individual skills your students are mastering. And the free writes are an opportunity for you to kind of zone out and see how those growing foundational skills are improving the quality of your students' writing. We've included rubrics for every free write activity so that it's hopefully really easy for you to provide immediate, targeted feedback to your students, because this is one of the best ways that they're going to grow as a writer. We also encourage you to just create traditions and systems and procedures around how do we provide constructive feedback to each other? How do we go around and share our work and create, provide a glow and a grow? One thing that we really appreciate about the person's writing, and one way we think they could continue to develop their writing, or one idea for them to consider. This skill of learning how to accept and provide constructive feedback is actually a pretty difficult skill to cultivate and applies to all sorts of life situations. So it's going to pay off in dividends for your students outside of their writing, but just across their daily life. All right, we highly encourage you also to keep a notebook for each student where you are really strict about making them write the date and not skip pages in between free writes, because at the end of a year together or at the end of an intervention journey together, we cannot tell you how rewarding it is to sit down together as a group and look at where everybody started and how far everybody's come. This is one of the most rewarding experiences as an educator, and also one of the best gifts you can give to your students, for them to be able to see with their own eyes, this is what all my hard work has given to me. If you have any other questions about how to best use the free writes, we would love to hear from you and talk to you further about it.